Hello, my name is Brandon Horn, owner of Brandon's Pressure Washing Services, where we specialize in commercial and residential vinyl siding, gutters, windows, surface cleaning, and soft washing. Why soft washing? Soft washing prevents property damage, which is a huge concern for our clients. For the past 10 years, we've serviced our community and taken pride in providing quality service, affordable pricing, and above all else, excellent customer service. There are many things that separate us from our competitors, such as continued communication after services have been provided. Increase your property value with Brandon's Pressure Washing Services. Give us a call today for your free estimate. 336-298-1039.